Hello, it's Lin. Today we are going to talk about U sound and Ü sound. And let's have a look of the U sound. Okay, so from the previous episode, you already know like for some sound, you have two ways of spelling. One is when you use it with other sound. One is when you use it alone. So here, let's have a look of the U. The up line is when you are using it with other sound. And the down line is when you use it alone. So for example, the first sound, U, you spell it like U when you are using this sound with other sound. And when you spell it as W, it's when you are using it alone. Let's just go over those sounds. So first one, U, U. Next one, Wa, Wa. Next one, Wo, Wo. Next one, Wai, Wai. Next one, Wei, Wei. Alright, and then next page, Wan, Wan, Wen, Wen, Wang, Wang, Wong, Wong. Alright, so let's have a look of the example of those sounds. First one, U, U. Okay, you can use this word when you are surprised or like when you are crying. You can say, "Ooh, I'm so sad," like that. Like you can just type this word, use this word to describe like how you feel. Okay, so you can for this one you can tell like they use the sound alone without other sound. So the way you spell it is W. Let's look back. It's like from the down line. Okay, U. Next one. 袜，袜子 socks. So here you use 袜 alone, then you use the down line. So it's W-A 袜子. Okay, so now you know the theory. Let's go to the next word. 窝，窝，我 means I. 外，外面 outside. 危，危险 danger. Okay, next one. 晚，晚安 good night. 问，问 ask. 王，王 king. On, 红 red. Okay, let's have a look here. You use wong with he sound. 红. So when you use it with other sound, you can see like he h with the upper line. O-N-G, 红. So here you don't use it alone. You don't spell it as W-E-N-G. You spell it as H-O-N-G. You use O-N-G for wong, he wong, 红. Yeah, this is how you use the U sound with other sound. Alright, and then let's move to Ü sound. So, Ü again. When you use it alone, you use the down line. And when you use it with other sounds, just use the upper line. So let's just go over those sounds. Ü, Ü, 约，约，冤，冤，晕，晕，庸，庸， for nu and lu, usually you don't mix it with other sounds, so you will use the down line. There is no upper line spelling for it. Okay, let's have a look at the example. Üi fish. So here you don't use it with other sound, so you use the down line. Yu, this is how you spell it with the sound ü alone. Yu. Okay, ü fish. Yue moon. Yuan circle. Yun dizzy. Yong 拥抱 hug. Nu 女 female. Lu green. Alright, so this is the ü sound and the u sound. So like when you get home, just try to practice more, and then I will see you in the next class. Ciao!